What's going on, motor mouthers, diesel breathers? Good to see you guys. We're just finally moved into the Iowa apartment here, you guys. It's just a simple little one bedroom, man. Bedroom right here in the living room. You don't need much. I got Ma over here hanging some pictures on the wall. Say hi, Mom. How you doing?
Pretty darn good.
Good to hear it. Anyway, I'm sitting here watching the 55-inch TV, which I so proudly hung on my wall that I started studying two-strokes again. You guys, the sound effect of a two-stroke, I am very shitty at right at the moment. I'm doing a two-stroke, let's say early 90s CR80. Times have changed. It's now 2019. I got to get out of the stutter jutter and just keep it straight moving. For instance, son of a bitch. You guys, the motorcycle class is pretty hard to mimic because there's a lot of different things. You're going through whoop sections, you're going through jumps, so your motor's always going to be changing. Well, we got the two-stroke leading the pack, number 21, sponsored by Amsoil. Following right behind, it's James Bubba Stewart on the CRF 250F. Mom, what do you think sounds better? The two-stroke as far as the early 90s? Or the today's 2019 CR two-stroke?
That one.
Or you're a four-stroke fan? Woo! Enjoy your Sunday, guys. I woke up with a bolt of energy. I got a lot of brain power going on. I got a huge auction I'm running in Spring Grove, Minnesota, May 3rd and 4th, you guys. It's right around my hometown. There's going to be 300 cars sold in only 2 days. Then we're going to Nebraska. Then we're going to Winona. And I tell you, we ain't stopping for nothing. Motormouth Entertainment, stay positive, stay strong, keep believing, keep subscribing.